Alright, Clank, the emerald should be up there. Ooh, can't believe you're getting time with the present. Tower and Ratchet, sit in the tree. Kissin. You knock it off, Clank. Besides, it's been a month since Clark and Zephyr passed, and Talbot has taken this easy. I just thought that we should give it a gift, you know? Yes, it's so surreal. Let's just get a move on. You're right, come on. Yo, what is that? A creature's holding an emerald. Ratchet, shoot him. Alright, buddy, stand still. Oh no, you won't get away from me. Come on, Clank. Ah! Ouch. Ah! And emerald secure. Come on, Clank. Let's head back. Let's go then.